Hello everyone, welcome to my Photoshop tutorial. Today we'll be making this. To begin, select the background layer and duplicate it. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer from the drop-down menu, or you can press Ctrl+J. Convert the duplicated layer to a smart object like so. Apply a Gaussian blur filter to it. Move the slider to a position you're comfortable with. Now create a new layer between the two layers and turn off the visibility of the blurred layer, so we can see the contents of the new layer. Select the Shape tool and draw any shape of your preference. Right-click on the blurred layer and select Create Clipping Mask. You can also do this by holding the Alt or Option button, and placing your cursor between the two layers so the cursor changes like this, and click to create Clipping Mask. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Now open the blending options of the shape layer by double-clicking it. Add a stroke to it, and make these adjustments to suit your preference. Now add any text you want above all other layers. With this method, you can easily move the translucent layer about by pressing Ctrl+T while it's selected. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.